So here we are this morning at Raymies garage, trying to fix the tailgate on this Range Rover Evoque, which belongs to the wife. We don't know what happened to it, but it's certainly making a strange noise. So possibly this thing here. So I've got a new one of these because I think that's where the noise is coming from. So we'll get started and we'll strip all that down. Take this out, we can take that off and we'll get to it. Right, so we need to be taking this part off here. It should just pop off. I've put it off before, so just a matter of popping the wee clips off. That's that side. Put that along the edge there. That's that one. And this one here. Oh. Didn't want that to happen. So I'll try to get that switch off. Try to do it with one hand here. Okay, let's get the camera down. Yeah, so that's the part there. Smartly taking that wee white plug out and that grey plug out. And there's the cable, goes round into this unit here. So we're going to need a wee Torx bit for that and a Torx bit for that. So it's just a matter of taking this off and that off, reconnecting the cable, that cable there, and putting it back together. And this basically should just pop out of there. I'll just take the cable off first. That's the cable off, that should pop out. There we go. And that's that. I'll just take the cable out here, which just pops out just through there. That's that soft close mechanism. And we need the bigger one for this part here, which is the actual latch mechanism. Cable off that, and this, I'm kind of going to push that up there a wee bit, and there we have the latch mechanism off. I'll get the new latch mechanism, this here, I'm going to put that straight back in, like so. And put that straight back on. Still lining these bolts up a wee bit. And we get our cable, and that goes that way, that goes like that. So I'm holding this down here, and that wee white part clips in there, and that comes up here. There is some realignment parts for this. Just pops it into position. Change our tool again. Connect it back up. That in there, that in there, and we'll switch back on and we'll just test it. Right, okay. So that was like literally 5 minutes. I shall put some stuff down. Got the key, and we'll hook this up here somewhere, just out the road now. And I think I'll just put it down manually. Right, so put that in there. I'm just going to press the switch. There we go. And the problem with us having the last time when we done that, car wouldn't lock, so there you go. We'll press the boot switch. Bit squeaky, but it works. There's the switch there. Switch it on again. Lock. Open the boot. Perfect, perfect. So that was very straightforward. That part there was about 100 quid, I think, for such a small part, but I don't know what was wrong with this one here. I might take that to bits to see if any of the motors are knackered on it, or the wee gears in it, sorry. Not sure how that comes off, but I'll keep a hold of that, and another rainy day I'll take it to bits. And what I'll do now is I'll put all this back on again. I think there's a couple of wee clips here missing. I'll see if I can get some metal clips in there to keep that holding up. But that was fairly short and sweet. A very, very quick fix replacement part on the Range Rover Evoque. And that's us for this car for the now. Cheers, thanks for watching.